Hello, good morning. Hi, guys. It's me, Nnenna, your girl. Yeah, guys, I'm here to give you the lowdown like I used to. What is going on between me and the AGK from Obunka and Orumba South, and also he's under the Bishop of Oka Diocese in Anambra State. So this man, like I said earlier, you guys know already, or you can watch my videos, that want to dupe me with his property. And now he's putting that property in the market again to dupe another person while the property is still under litigation and you are still in court. Please, I'm giving this public notice. Don't buy this property. I'm going to put it out for you to watch the video and the advert. Don't buy the property. It's at Umunze, Orumba North. Don't Orumba South. Don't buy this property. It's still under litigation. It's still under court case. That's the case. That's the property that two of us that he wants you to use to dupe me. 2020 stroke 2021. That was when this case has been in court from police to court. So guys, don't go and fall another victim. Check properly. That's why when you buy property, you sold to another person, you go and buy it, you get into trouble, and then you start calling God, start running over all the churches. But you will be stupid enough to go and buy a property that is under litigation, is under court, and you are aware of it, you still go there. So don't go. Nobody should go there. This property is still under litigation. So nobody should go and buy a property that is still under litigation, under the court. We are saying he's still yet to balance me all my money. So I'm saying it, and I will put the video, the adverts to you guys to watch, and I put the picture of the so-called 419er that's duping people with this property. So I want also to speak it in a little in Hausa language, so that in case if they want to call any malam or any alaji to come and buy from the north, to that person don't say, oh, I'm not aware. You are aware. So I'm going to speak it also small in Hausa language. Jama'a ina gaya maka akwai wannan property din at Anambra to Umunze, to be precise. Kar ka je ka siya wannan property din. Gidan the gas station din akwai fada a kan shi. Courts ina ciki, police ina ciki. Kar ka je fa ka sa kudin kowa to kira ka ce, oh, zo ka siya abu komai da komai. Gaya masa wannan property ba zan siya ba. Ina court kuma wani ya faɗa haka. To, ina gaya maka yanzu, kar ka je ka sa kudinka a gurin gida wanda ina cikin police, ina cikin police, ina kuma akwai court case a kansa. Na roke ku, kar ka jefa ka siya wannan gidan. Abin property din ba kyau. Wannan mutanen ejiken wanko ɓarwuniya ce. Ina gaya muku gaskiya, kar ka jefa, kar ka siya. Indai kuma sun ba ku shi a kobo, ka ce musu a'a, abin da ya yi min dole ne za yi maka. Ina gaya maka din gaskiya. Okay. Guys, so take care, guys. Bye.
Front view. This is gas. The other one up there is kerosene. Then this is the 4 pumps for fuel. You can see.